Do you feel awkward in social situations? Here's the truth. Social anxiety isn't a weakness. It's a hidden superpower. Today, I'll show you how to turn it into confidence. Starting right now. Every confident person you see, on stage, in meetings, or in daily life, they all feel fear too. The only difference? They've learned how to use it. Social anxiety is not a flaw. It's proof your brain cares about connection. And when you flip that switch, everything changes. Think of social skills like going to the gym. You don't lift 100 pounds on day one. You start small. Make eye contact. Ask a follow-up question. Share a short story. Every small rep builds confidence. Over time, conversations feel effortless. Want to know the fastest way to be liked? Talk less, listen more. Speak 30% of the time, listen 70%. Because when you give someone your full attention, they feel valued. And that's how trust is built. Confidence doesn't come from being the most interesting person. It comes from being the most interested. Ask open questions. What's the best part of your day? Or, what inspired you to do that? Curiosity melts anxiety and creates instant connection. Here's a hack almost nobody talks about: the echo effect. When someone says something, repeat their key words with curiosity. Them. I just got back from Spain. You, from Spain? Instantly, they feel understood. They'll open up more. And you don't even have to think of the perfect thing to say. If you're ready to level up your social confidence, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which tip will you try today? I'll reply to as many as I can. Here's the truth. Life isn't about the number of people you meet. It's about the impact you leave. One genuine smile, one thoughtful question, one moment of listening can change someone's entire day, or even their life. Social anxiety doesn't mean you're broken. It means you care. And that care, when used right, is your greatest strength. So next time you walk into a room, remember, you don't need to be the loudest voice. You just need to be the one who truly connects. And that will make you unforgettable. Turn anxiety into confidence. Turn conversations into connections. Start today.